Always look on the bright side. Good day, everyone. I have here a problem, so please help me to find the answer. I have two pieces of cloth. One piece is 72 inches wide, and the other piece is 90 inches wide. I want to cut both pieces into strips of equal width that are as wide as possible. How wide should I cut the strips? Hmm. Our review lesson for today is all about greatest common monomial factor. GCF or GCMF of two monomials is the product of their common factors, or the largest number that will go into two numbers. Okay, so reviewin muna natin kung ano ba yung mga paraan na ginagamit natin sa pagkuha ng GCF. At meron tayong tatlong paraan na gagamitin. Yung una, tinatawag natin siyang listing method. Pangalawa, yung prime factorization. At yung pangatlo ay continuous division. So, unahin natin ang listing method. Listing method. Magbigay tayo ng halimbawa. What is the GCF of 8 and 12? From the word itself, listing, ibig sabihin, ililista lang natin ang factors ni 8 at ang factors naman ni 12. Factors, ibig sabihin, yung number na pwede nating i-divide kay 8 at kay 12. Para sa 8, 1, 2, 4, and 8. At para naman sa 12 ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Kung mapapansin natin, merong number na magkapareho. Yun ay ang 1, 2, 4. Greatest common factor or the highest number that is common for both 8 and 12, and that is 4. Ibig sabihin, the GCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Punta naman tayo sa pangalawang method, ang prime factorization. Bago tayo magbigay ng halimbawa, i-define muna natin kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng prime. Prime numbers. Prime numbers is a whole number whose only factors are itself and 1, or a number can't be factored anymore. Ngayon naman, ano-ano ang mga prime number less than 20? Unahin natin ang 2, followed by 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. Now, how many prime numbers are there in 1 to 100? Para mas mabilis niyong malaman, meron akong inihanda ditong mga listahan ng prime numbers mula 1 hanggang 100. Ito ay ang 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, at 97. All in all, there are 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. Ngayon naman, magbigay tayo ng halimbawa. What is the GCF of 12 and 60? Gamitin natin ang prime factorization method, or factor 3. Ilista muna natin si 12 at mag-isip tayo ng prime numbers na pwede nating i-divide kay 12. So, yung unang prime number na ginagamit natin ay 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Si 6, pwede natin siyang i-divide ulit sa prime number na 2 at 3. Ibig sabihin, the prime factors of 12 ay 2 times 2 times 3. Ngayon naman, isipin natin ang prime factors ng 60. I-divide natin si 60 sa prime numbers na 2, that will gives us 30. Si 30, pwede pa rin natin i-divide kay 2, and it will gives us 15. Si 15, pwede nating i-divide siya sa dalawang prime numbers which is 3 and 5. So, ibig sabihin, the prime factors of 60 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Ngayon naman, ilista natin kung ano yung common number o yung common factors ng 12 at ng 60. Yun ay ang 2 times 2 times 3. Ibig sabihin, ita-times lang natin si 2, 2 at 3. And ang magiging sagot nun ay 12. Ibig sabihin, the GCF of 12 and 60 is 12. Pangatlong method, which is continuous division. Magbigay tayo ng halimbawa. What is the GCF of 24 and 60? Pag sinabi natin continuous division, patuloy lang tayong magdi-divide. So, ilista natin si 24 at 60. Gagamit tayo ng reverse symbol ng division at mag-iisip tayo ng prime numbers na pwede nating i-divide kay 24 at kay 60. So, lagi nating tatandaan na ginagamit natin lagi si 2. So, mag-umpisa tayo kay 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 60 divided by 2 is 30. Again, mag-iisip ulit tayo ng number na pwede nating i-divide kay 12 at kay 30. So, ano bang number ang pwede nating i-divide kay 12 at kay 30? Or, yung prime number natin na pinaka mababa, which is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. Ngayon, mag-iisip naman tayo ng number na pag dinivide natin kay 6 at kay 15, yun ay ang 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. Kung makikita natin yung nasa left side na number, imumultiply lang natin yung tatlong yon, ayun na ang magiging GCF natin using continuous division. So, 2 times 2 times 3, and that is 12. Ibig sabihin, ang GCF ng 24 at ng 60 ay 12. And now, let us answer all of these numbers. Based on the problem earlier, let us answer this problem. I have two pieces of cloth. One piece is 72 inches wide and the other piece is 90 inches wide. I want to cut both pieces into strips of equal width that are as wide as possible. How wide should I cut the strips? This problem shows the GCF. To find the answer, you may use any of the three methods. And the answer is 18. Wow! Thank you for solving the problems. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you. See you next time. And keep safe.
We used to run red lights and never look back.